Hi, our project this semester involves integrating OHMS to a microwave oven. OHMS is an object memory management system. It is an enhanced voice recognition software that uses speech recognition, natural language processing, and knowledge management to control a consumer electronic appliance. OHMS is sending information to Arduino WebSocket through a router. Arduino then parses information and sends specific voltage signals to our two integrated circuits, whose outputs are connected in parallel to control the panel of the microwave oven.
Mr. Microwave, cook for 30 seconds.
Successfully turned on the microwave.
Mr. Microwave, stop.
Successfully stopped the microwave.
Mr. Microwave, continue cooking.
Successfully turned on the microwave.
Mr. Microwave, add a minute.
Successfully added a minute.
Mr. Microwave, clear.
Successfully cleared the microwave.